Do you want to check your RAM usage on your Mac? Here is how. First, click on the Spotlight Search icon, the magnifying glass in the top right corner of your screen, or press Command plus Spacebar to open Spotlight Search. Type Activity Monitor in the search bar and hit Enter. Once the Activity Monitor window opens, click on the Memory tab at the top. Here's what you'll see. Memory tab Overview. The Memory tab provides a detailed breakdown of your RAM usage. Let's look at the columns displayed. Process name. This lists all the apps and processes currently running on your Mac. Memory. This shows the amount of RAM each process is using, helping you identify which apps are consuming the most memory. Threads. Displays the number of threads being used by each process, which contributes to CPU activity. Port. Shows the number of ports used by a process. Ports are communication endpoints that allow the system to connect with apps and services. PID, Process Identifier, a unique ID assigned to every running process on your system. User, indicates which user or system account is running the process, helping you identify if a process is related to your activity or a system task. How to use this information. If you notice a specific app using too much memory, you can select it and click the X button in the top left corner to force quit it. Be cautious. Only quit processes you recognize to avoid disrupting system functions. Also, pay attention to the memory pressure graph at the bottom of the window. If it's consistently yellow or red, consider closing unnecessary apps or upgrading your Mac's RAM. By understanding these columns, you'll gain insights into how your Mac is handling memory and can take action to keep it running smoothly. And that's it. Now you know how to check RAM usage and make sense of the data in the Activity Monitor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.